Do you want to ask someone out and you don't really know what to say in Nigerian Pidgin English? We're here to help you. These phrases will help you if you want to invite someone out in Nigerian Pidgin English. Come along with me. These are the phrases for invitations. You dey free for Friday night? You go do anything for Saturday night? Make I check my schedule. Shey you go like watch film? Shey you go like to join me for dinner? I go like am. I for like go, but I get another commitment. Sorry, I no fit. Sorry, I no get chance. Maybe another time. These are phrases that would help you to either accept an invitation or turn down an invitation. Now you know what to say if you want to invite someone out in Nigerian Pidgin English. I'll see you in my next lesson. Bye for now.